Welcome to the CoreAchieve How to series. Hotspot Questions. Hotspot questions are new in CoreAchieve. They allow trainers to upload an image and then have users mark their answer on said image. Add a hotspot question from the question options. Type your question. You can allow multiple answers by toggling on multiple choice on the left. You can upload or just drag and drop the image into the question's hotspots area. Once the image is uploaded, you can select the shape and size of the correct area. You can choose from a rectangular, circular, or polygonal hotspot in the same question. The polygon shape allows an exact outline of the area you are trying to have users select. You can move created areas. Or remove them with the trash icon. To remove all areas, use the Reset button. You can always change the image. Now that the question is ready, don't forget to save everything. Let's see from a quiz taker's perspective. Users can now answer the hotspot question by placing spots for their answer. If they change their mind, they can drag a spot to another place or remove it from their selected responses. Hotspot questions open a whole new avenue for testing knowledge.